Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your Nissan Altima key fob not detected issue. First, let's check the simplest things. A common culprit is a dead or weak key fob battery, so replace it if needed. Also, make sure there isn't any electronic interference near your vehicle that could be blocking the signal. Finally, confirm your car's main 12-volt battery is in good health, as a weak car battery can also cause detection problems. If the basic checks don't resolve the issue, let's try some more advanced steps. Many Nissan Altima models have a physical key hidden within the fob. Use this to manually unlock your door. Once inside, locate the backup key fob slot, often near the steering column or in the center console, and place your fob there to attempt starting the car. Also, visually inspect your key fob for any damage or corrosion. Sometimes, the key fob might just need to be reprogrammed. While procedures vary, you can often find a simple method in your owner's manual. Always refer to your Nissan Altima's specific manual for the most accurate steps. If these troubleshooting tips don't work, it's best to seek professional help. A certified Nissan dealership has specialized tools to diagnose and fix complex key fob issues, including checking for error codes like B2607. To prevent future key fob detection problems, proactive maintenance is key. Make it a habit to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years, even if it seems to be working fine. Also, protect your fob from environmental damage by keeping it away from extreme heat, cold, and especially moisture. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link and other offers in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.